Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and yesterday I did a video on how to prep your pot roast, and today we will show this is a home style pot roast and it is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and plate it up, guys. All right, you're gonna take your lid off. The first thing you want to do is we had 2 bay leaves in here, so you go ahead and grab your bay leaf, just discard of it, that's all, they're just for flavor. And here's the other one. All right, toss them away. Okay, the choice of meat that I used this time is a brisket. You can do this with chuck roast also, so those are your 2 options. I like brisket, I like chuck roast. Either way, both ways turn out falling apart and delicious. So I started this. It has been cooking for 8 hours on high. I did try low, but it wasn't getting me what I wanted, what I wanted to do with it. So you're just gonna take you a nice spoon, go ahead, and this meat will fall right apart. Get you a nice little hunk of meat in there, and then go ahead and get you some of these vegetables, some good onions and celery and carrots. And you can serve this with something if you like mashed potatoes or twice baked potatoes, anything like that. But since it already has the potatoes in it, this is kind of a one pot wonder. So let's get another little piece of celery here. But as you see in slow cooking this, all of the meats and all of the juices have just been rendering in here for 8 hours, and this meat is just falling apart. You can just pull it right apart with a fork, and that is the way that you want your pot roast. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. The recipe for this will be in the description, so if you want the recipe will be there for you. And until the next one, I'll see you guys. Peace.